Hi, my name is Mohammed Dubouk, speaking for Interstyle Ceramics Ghana Limited. We are a Nigerian company newly established in Ghana, whereby we provide the market with tiles and sanitary wares from origins like Italy, Spain, Brazil, and the United Arab Emirates, to name a few. Our product range consists of Geberit, Rack Ceramics, Cludi Rack, Portobello, Italcraft, Prisma, in addition to other internationally renowned brands. We provide high-end quality products at very affordable prices. Kindly visit us at our state-of-the-art showroom on Spintex Road, opposite GT Bank, first floor. We'll meet you at the 17th International Building Construction and Properties Exhibition that will be held at the Accra International Conference Center from the 3rd to the 5th of October 2019. Kindly visit our stand and you'll see nice things, I'm sure. Thank you very much.